So I love to help people mentally, emotionally, spiritually, physically. I help them with a variety of different things. I've been studying and practicing and learning and healing and cultivating my knowledge, my wisdom, my awareness, and my experience for the last 18 years now, since I started my journey age 24, and now I'm 42. So I help people with a variety of like healing from mental and emotional issues like depression, sadness, anxiety, feeling lost, down and out in life, which I was in the past. I was in a terrible rock bottom place, and that's what spurred me on and catapulted me on out of my previous old like consciousness and maturity level, and I had to change my life. I was forced to, and it took me a long time, and I've regathered myself, and now I'm in passionate service and committed to helping other people do the same thing, as well as helping physically with like diet, raw vegan nutrition, raw vegan detoxification, juice feasting. I know extensively about water fasting too. I have a herb store, Higher Self Herbs, so I help people with a variety of things, with tips and tools so they can put in their toolbox and they can become more empowered, as well as self-awareness tools and things to practice and implement and reflect on in their life so they can gain wisdom as well as knowledge. So if I can help anyone with any physical issues like deterioration or disease or premature aging or graying or exhaustion or adrenal burnout or like various like things, skin issues, liver, kidneys, gallbladder, lungs, eyesight, energy, depletion, the list goes on. I have a mixture of holistic, herbal, physical diet and spiritual ways to go about that and help. So, and also spiritual reasons and knowledge to give perspective on your life for your challenges, your losses, things you grieve, and hardships in your life and why they're there and how we can turn them into blessings. So if you like to check out my services, just like PM me or like private message me, and we can arrange to book online, or if you're in Ireland, we can book it in person. Otherwise, I do it through online as well, and that's where most of my clients would be. So I'm passionate about my service. I love to help people, and if you'd like my help and assistance, I'm really expert at the whole package, not just one, not just the other. I know iridology also, and I've walked my walk out of not wanting to live anymore and being depressed and down and out and very sick and unwell physically as well, and having tons of anxiety and hopelessness and despair, and I've overcome many forms of different grief and loss also. So anyway, thank you for watching this one, and let me know if I can help you in any way. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you, lots of love and blessings, and wish you a gorgeous day as best you can.